Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter 5, kinds of houses. In last class we studied about home sweet home. So in this class we are going to study about the kinds of houses that we live in. So houses are of different kinds. So some houses are big and some houses are small. So some houses are made of bricks, wood and cement. And some houses are made of mud, straw, wood. So let us study about the types of houses. So there are two types of houses, that is kacha house and pakka house. So kacha house. So these houses are made up of mud and straw. So they are not very strong. So this is a hut. This is one of the example for the kacha house. So this is pakka house. So these two, one is multi-storied building and another one is bungalow. These two are the two examples for the pakka house. So pakka houses are made of bricks, iron rods, cement, etc. So it is also called as permanent house. They are very strong. So this wooden house is one of the example for the kacha house. They are even made up of wood and this is also made up of bamboos. So this is a bungalow. So bungalow is an independent house. This is mostly found in towns and cities. So bungalows are single stories and some of them have small garden in front with a lawn. You know what is lawn? Lawn is an area of neatly cut grasses. So this is a flat. Flats are houses built one top of another. There are several flats in the same. This is also found in cities and towns. So houses are also made according to the climatic condition of particular places. As you can see in the picture, the places which heavy rainfall and snowfall usually have roofs that is sloping. So houses in warm places, they have the flat roofs. And the people lives in some other types of houses also. So as you can see in this house, this is made up of igloos. So it is made up of a block of hard snow. And people who live in such houses are called Eskimo. So this is a igloo. So some people keep moving from one place to another in search of food, work or due to extreme climatic conditions, especially in the villages. In case of they make temporary houses. So houseboat, this is one of the example for temporary house. So this houseboat can be seen in Kerala and Kashmir. So houseboats have almost all the facilities of normal houses. So tent is also one of the example for the temporary house. They are either made up of clothes or canvas. So as you can see in the picture, this is a caravan. Caravan is a house on wheels. This is also a temporary house. In this house you can move from one place to another. After watching the video, you should start doing the exercise questions. Dear parents, please help your kids to do this exercise activities. So first main is put a tick for the true and the wrong for the false sentence. So there are 5 questions in this. For the true sentence, you should put tick mark, and for the false sentence, you should put into mark. So second main is name the following. In that first one, a house on wheels. House on wheels, it is called is caravan. So second one, an independent house, it is bungalow. Third one, a house made of mud, stone and straw, it is called as hut. Fourth one, A house of ice. So it is igloo. Fifth one, a house made of canvas. It is tent. So third main is you should circle the correct word. You should circle only the correct word. These all exercise activities you should do only in your content book. So in enrichment activity you have artwork, means you should draw or paste a picture of your house. In this box you should draw or paste your picture of your house. So next main is drawing time. You should join the dots to get the picture of Simi's house. So draw the sun above it and tree next to it. You should draw sun and tree and you should color the picture. You should join the dots. Later you should color the picture. You should do it in a crayons. After doing the exercise activities in your textbook, you should write your notes. You should write in new page. In new page, you should draw 2 lines and write chapter 5 kinds of houses. So in that, you should write the answer the following. So the first question is, what are huts made of? Answer, huts are made of stones, mud and straw. Then you should draw a line. Second question is, where do you find houses with flat roofs? Houses in warm places have flat roofs. Third one, name any 3 types of houses that can be moved around. Tent, caravan and boat house. So after each answer you should draw a line.